respected professors, sir, respected directors, sir, and HOD, sir, and all the faculties present here, and my dear friends. I am here to pitch the ideas on electrical crack band. That is my business plan which I am going to pitch here. Okay, first of all, let's move to my company, that is Miracle Minds. This company was founded a year back by a book. I had authored a book named Miracle Minds. That was simply the collection of 15 young innovative entrepreneurs. From there, I was inspired. I was inspired to do something like oh my God, that these 15 young innovators of India is doing something apart from their field, apart from their life. They are like that. Okay. They are like that. Always enough interest that they track their path from the source which they were having, from the things which they were having from their colleges and all, and they built up there and they successfully run their companies of having a turnover of nearly about 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, and they were like that. So,
somebody help him.
okay, now first of all, I will be going to the general company description. Miracle Minds is a platform of innovators led by me, and there are the 6 various branches of Miracle Minds. That is Miracle Mind Research and Development Solutions. In this part, we are providing research and development to the product of the companies, such that different companies making leather product, and they are facing the problem to recycle the leather products. So we are giving them innovative ideas to how to recycle their products, how to recycle their leather, so that triple R concept, reuse, recycle, should be implemented. Second is Miracle Minds Innovative Thinker. This is the most important aspect of this company, Miracle Minds, that we are inviting inventors from all across the globe, and we will be providing them as per a company's policy, that we will be providing them labs, that we will be providing them funds from the various angel investors and all, and we will be taking their products to the market also. Third one is Moonscape Publications. It is a publication sector in which we will be publishing the book of young entrepreneurs and everything. Fourth one is Jhalab. Jhalab is a concept where we will be inventing the product, we will be innovating the product. Then it is Miracle Minds Manufacturing Unit. Actually, Miracle Minds will be private limited, and all these will be in the enterprise sections. And last one is Miracle Minds Science Projects. Okay. So this is the executive summary. See, I'm CVL founder of the company, and my co-founder is Ankit Dayal Jigyasu, and I'm very fortunate that my advisor, Sir Dr. Rajiv Agarwal sir, is here. He is the advisor of the company, and our legal advisor is Mr. Vinod Mishra, LLB, Civil Code Baga. Okay, now, for what I am here, electrical band. What is that? This is electrical crab band, and why I am here? Electrical crab band is a wearable medical device by using integrated circuits and other electronics components to simulate the nerve for therapeutic purposes. The design device is capable of generating static magnetic field, low and high tension, that is transmitted as static and stimulation therapy, also vibration therapy, and there are special motors attached to this band to deliver the high frequency and low frequency to the scale. As you can see this device is having these 1, 2, 3, 4 special vibrators that is providing the vibration therapy. This is also having these 2 special magnetic magnets, that is magnetically important magnet that is used to provide them magnetic field therapy. Also, through these 2 pads, we will be delivering the TENS, transmitted electrical stimulation therapy, to the skin directly. So here is a small working of the device, that how device works. Device works by delivering small pulse of electricity to the surface of body via multiple electrodes attached in the electrical trap band only. It is because we are making the device free of wires and all, so all these things will be embedded in a single trap band. Or just you need to tie the trap band wherever the pain is. Suppose that if I am hurting you like this here, a sensory signals generate from here to the sensory nerves, it goes through the pain, and the cell says the pain that the pain is here. So now there are 2 concepts, like how to remove this pain electrically. First of all, we should block this signal. If I am going to block this signal, then no signals will be sent to the brain, so brain will not feel that it is having pain. And second thing, you override the signal. This is called the endorphin gate theory. This is the gate theory to override the signals. If I am it is the intensity of pain signal that let's say that 1,000 or millions of pain signals per second is going to the brain. And what if I am delivering crores of sweet signals, sweet vibration signals to the brain? So that sweet signals will override the pain signals and the mind will having sweet signals. So there are two ways. First way is the low tense, that is that was from the frequency range of 3 to 4 Hz, and second one is high tense, that is above 50 Hz to 60 Hz. So now, what is the benefit of electrical crab band? Tense unit increases the body production of endorphins. Yeah, that tense unit, according to a research of University of Maryland, that if I'm giving the frequency signal of 3 Hz or 4 Hz to the skin directly, it is producing a hormone called endorphin hormone, that is the pain relieving hormone. It also reduces the sensation of pain. It is useful in relieving acute pain associated with surgery, traumatic injury, and other conditions. Reduce pain, inflammation, and effect of stress on the body, and platelet adhesion. Improve energy circulation, blood and tissue oxygenation, sleep quality, blood pressure, and cholesterol level. The uptake of nutrients, cellular reoxygenation, ability to regenerate cells. Balance the immune system and stimulate RNA and DNA. Accelerate repair of bone and soft tissue, relax muscles, enhancement of muscle strength, performance, conditioning, and overall health and wellness. Increase the bone density. Process of glands to naturally lubricate the joints, reducing back and joint pain, reducing the fatigue and increasing agility. Actually, the problem of joint pain basically is due to the uric acid associated at the joint of the bones. So what the tends do is that every acid has a very basic thing that it can break into H plus ions. And what the tends do is that it releases the hormone that can break that acid into H plus forms. And what the vibration therapy do is that it stimulates the whole H plus ions in the body, and through the urination system that combining with the different ions, they form the water molecules and are filtered out. Also soothing the effect of arthritis attacks and reducing the frequency. Also the very good benefit of this electrical band is it can improve your metabolism activity. Also overall reduction in pain ranging from acute to chronic. Okay, what is our operational plan? First of all, invention, production, and sale. This is the operational plan which I'm working on. So how I'm gonna operate the whole sales sort of things. First of all, I'm here to say something about to introduce crowdfunding to my friends sitting here. I'll be going for the crowdfunding because crowdfunding is a thing where actually the business or the things or the startups, every day in India 10 startups are being listed and 7 of them falls, and only 3 of the startups gets to success. The huge reason for this is that funds. Startups generally start with their own funding from 30,000, 50,000 or some of the equity which they are having. They start up and they doesn't get funds. They register the company and suddenly they have to stop the company. Then what is the other measures that we should take so that our company should not suffer the loss and we should be on the path of going on? So there is another segment called crowdfunding. We will be going for crowdfunding. In crowdfunding, there are various websites which helps in gaining the crowd. It helps in the attention of gaining the crowds, and through that we will be having a pre-order sort of things. We are having our own websites. On that website, we will be having a pre-order form. Then we will be having a very soulful video of this electrical crab band with the doctors, with our advisors, sir, and we will be demonstrating this video on our different channels, through different channels like YouTube or different channels which we are having. We will be having this video on the different crowdfunding websites. I will request my student to go to the crowdfunding website. There are some websites which I am listing here. That is tracknext.com. These are the very good crowdfunding website, and these are the very good SEO. They are having very good SEO, search engine optimization. If you are typing the name of your product or name of something on the Google, it will be on the very first links will be yours. This is this sort of SEO that these websites are doing. So go to these websites. If you are having ideas and you want to take your ideas to the further level, go through these websites and you can generate the equity from there. So I will be having the pre-order sort of things. After pre-order, we will be manufacturing that unit with the help of outsourcing, because and then we will be delivering it. And after generating the equity, we will be setting up our own manufacturing unit. So now let's come into the target market. 71% of people over the age of 15 years suffers from chronic or joint or soft tissue pain. So this is the huge market. If I'm talking about the India, we are 130 crores. So 100 crores of Indians are suffering from either from joint pain, either from acute pain, either from chronic pain or from soft tissue pain. So chronic pains affect roughly 100 million American adults and cost up to $635 billion annually. Senior citizens with growing age joint pain becomes very common. Doctors and hospitals, especially physiotherapists, sports person, and we are also inviting physiotherapists to invest in our project so that they can recommend also this treatment to their patient. Common men with back pain, shoulder pain, joint pain, except pregnancy pain, period pain, and headache. These are the exceptions where we can't use this electrical treatment. So now we are having the product and service development, user interface development. In this section, we will be focusing on user interface development, user handling. We will be making this device portable, user handling, free of wires. That will be complete wireless. Just need to tie up the band. That should be of long life. Uses of miniaturized electronics engineering, industrial design, multi-energy sources using of paper solar plates. Also, we are focusing basically on renewable source of energy, on multiple energy source also. Can run on battery as well as regular electric supply. Just you have to put the battery on, and on the regular electric supply it can also work. Different dimensions will be taken into account. Suppose that if they are having the fat man, they can different dimensions, and according to we will be handling it. So what are the marketing strategy? In marketing strategy, first of all, we will be featuring on USP of our product. What is unique selling proposition of our product? First of all, economical as per unit cost to client will be very low. The first USP is that it will be economical because we are having the competitors of this electrical graphene in the markets named that TENS unit. These are our competitors, and their cost is nearly around 2,700 per unit, and our costing will be 399 just for the common peoples. Easy to use, as no technical knowledge is required. Just you need to tie up the band with the pin, no else, and you have to put a switch on. No side effect. We are having the AIM certification. We are going for the AIM certification and IMS certifications, and file the patent also on this device. Can be used for different types of pains and age group. Yeah, different types of pains and different types of age group we are focusing. Shifting people from painkiller addiction. This is the biggest thing which. Also, I am having a campaign of making a society of drug free, because if we are talking about a common drug which we are taking in painkilling, that is paracetamol. That drug is literally banned in medically founded countries like US, Canada, sort of medically founded countries. These drugs are banned because these drugs causes destruction in the central nervous system, also causing vomiting, nausea, various type of side effects of these drugs are there. Now, what are our promotional strategies? Promotional strategies will be social media and web based, because nowadays social media is evolved as a very dynamic field. So promoting on the social media is a very good effort. Consulting with medical experts and doctors. As I had listed earlier also, that I am not only consulting the medical doctors of different like Apollo, AIMS and sort of things. I am also inviting them to invest in this product so that they can recommend the device to their patient. Free samples at the initial stage. This is our promotion strategy. We will be providing some free samples at the initial stage. Product presentation at various seminars and international conferences and meetings of associations such as WHO, IMA, etc. Now, what is the sales strategy which we are having? Appointing distributors. Appointing distributors and new distributors at higher profit margin. 30 days money back guarantee will be there. 30 years replacement and accidental warranty will be there. Appointment of sales teams for special campaigning in rural areas or semi-urban with the help of local medical staff. Especially discount offer for the senior citizens who are the key target of this device. Free home delivery on online orders, and also COD can be implemented. So we have the set target. We are as I had told earlier that I am pitching this device on various crowdfunding platforms. So for the first year, we are having the target of selling this. Actually, we are having a target of pre-ordering this 5,000 units. So that net profit will be around 10 lakhs and expenses will be around 7 lakh 50,000. So this is the fact which will be moving forward from 2015 to 2025. For the 10 years we are having this. We have done a research on this and we are implementing this. This is about the financial overview. Now, what are the areas of further investigation? Can be implemented in car, chair-based, so that different therapies can make people feel relaxed. Suppose that you are going to you are sitting in a car and a sweet vibration from the backside of your car, car sofa or car chair, you are getting a very good vibration sort of thing. Then it will enhance your, it will medically sound you. Fuzzy sensors can be implemented so that it can regulate whole device according to the intensity of pain. Also, opto sensors, SpO2 sensors, etc. can be deployed so that it can indicate your various parameters like oxygen saturation, blood level, blood pressure, and making the system wireless. So that data can be easily processed by your phone also. Through this device, we will enter the world of wearable medical device, and we will have a lot of options to manufacture other device with the same manufacturing plant. So, for initial stage, as it is a within competition, fund requirement is for manufacturing unit is like around 25 lakhs. For acquisition, 3 lakhs. For marketing, 5 lakhs. And for other expenses, this is 2 lakhs, and the total fund requirement is nearly about 35 lakhs. So these are the context section and